Hey Nate,
Hey Maria.
what are you doing right there?
So as a continuation of our little apartment inside of our house, we're gonna start on this hallway here. So to close the hallway, we have drywall on this side, not on this side. We're gonna add some because we're gonna add a 4 centimeter thick insulation against this wall, just to make sure we trap all the heat in a bedroom and it stays in the bedroom. So for those of you that remember, this is the door that we opened up and enlarged. And if you don't remember, go watch that video. And we're finally going to finish this hallway here by adding a wall and insulation here and a ceiling to go all the way across. At the end of this hallway, we're going to add another door and new stairs that's going to go down to the kitchen. These are temporary stairs, but they're pretty solid. So we had bought these stairs as a temporary way to get upstairs while we're working on the front. And we ended up liking them so much it kind of became a permanent fixture. But we're finally getting to them and we're gonna put in more permanent stairs here. But they've worked out very nice for us.
Nathan, you have a lot to insulate here too.
Yeah, there's still a bit of work left, insulation-wise.
We will eventually come to it. All right, good luck.
Thank you. As you might be able to tell, it's pretty late at night. I just got off of work. Just long days of work, but we need to progress. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down rails to demarc where the wall is going to be along here. Okay, so I've got my two pilot studs in place here and here. And that, I call it my pilot studs because I like to pass these through first and then slide the rail on the top part of the ceiling. So it has something to hold in place before I can screw it into the ceiling. Let me show you. So basically I just use these two studs here and here to hold up this rail going across the ceiling so I can drill it into place. And then from there we could just slide the rest of the studs right into the two rails on the ceiling and on the floor, which is what I'm going to do now. Okay, now that we have all of our studs in place, I'm going to go ahead and start insulating with just 4 centimeter thick insulation because we pretty much just put these studs right up against the wall. Didn't want to lose too much space to the hallway. And yeah, going to start that now. Okay, so now finally we have our insulation in place and we have our electric cables passed. Now we're going to go ahead and drywall. Okay, we got our first drywall panel installed. I'm going to go ahead with the second one, which is pretty much taking us to the end of the hallway here. And then down here, we've installed a switch. It's going to be a double switch. One is at the bottom of the stairs, one's right here. So all I did was I pulled a 3G 1.5mm cable from the source over to here. So that is the live. And then I hooked up a 4G 1.5mm cable that goes down to the other light switch. And then one more 1.5mm cable from that switch that's going to go up to the lights. Okay, now we have our hallway drywall in place, going across here. Now on the top where I had rails going horizontally this way, I'm going to add rails going perpendicularly across, and then we're going to hang our drywall ceiling this way, and then we have some place to put our lights. Okay, so for this I have metal screws. Just tiny ones, just enough to keep them in place. Okay, so now I'm just going to repeat this process, going all the way down every 40 centimeters. Alright, now we have cut out all our ceiling rails. I installed one right here going across, and I'm going to just repeat that process with these ones. Okay, now we have all our ceiling rails in. I'm going to go ahead and start drywalling so I can put the spotlights into the drywall. Okay, this is a pretty narrow space to work in, so I don't think I could get the drywall lifter in here easily at least, and be on the ladder at the same time. So I'm just going to stick a piece of drywall on my head and then try to screw it to these rails going perpendicularly. very beautiful, but I think we need some change in scenery. So, gotta go. It's a good change of scenery, guys.
Very good one. That's beautiful.
Until next time, when we're back.
Hey, Jackie. Hey, Nate.
Hey, Maria.
You're back.
We're back.
And it's sunny.
Yeah, mission accomplished. We escaped all the cold.
How did you spend your vacation?
We spent it January in Dubai, so that was pretty nice.
26 degrees daily.
Yeah.
And now we're back to, what, 14 degrees?
Mm-hmm.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Mission accomplished.
Good job.
All right, but now we have projects for 2026. Tons of projects.
A lot, yeah.
You show us?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hold on. What did you get here?
The first new item is this chimney.
Wow, it's a poêle à bois. I don't know how you call that, like a wood stove.
Wood, yeah, wood burning stove.
Wood burning stove.
Mm-hmm.
That is huge, Nathan.
Yeah.
So we get that like a few days ago, and that's one of the 2026 projects, right? It
Yes.
has to be installed
Right.
through the roof.
Yeah. TBC, to be completed.
Do you show us a bit how it looks like?
Sure.
What a beauty. Guys, I was looking at this stuff for like 2 years, I think, in the store, and I was like, oh, maybe that's not the moment, that's not the moment. But I hope now it will be installed for next winter. Look at, I don't know if you can imagine, I'll try to insert a picture of how the real model looks like, but that's beautiful. And I want to do a mantle around, like, I'm so happy. You too?
Oh, yeah.
What's next?
Next. Another door.
Another door. Where is this door going?
At the beginning of the hallway.
Beginning of the hallway you're building
Upstairs.
in the beginning of the video of December. Because now we're back and it's February.
Right.
Oh, Nathan, what are other 2026 projects? What about outside?
Okay, that's the other huge project, I guess I would say. We're gonna try to close the front property.
Fully.
Yes. And when we say close, we mean enclose like the new property next door that we bought. And wipe out all the bushes in the middle, so it's one big open front yard.
Oh my god, I cannot wait. That's gonna look awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
Next video, more projects to come.
All right. See you then.
See you then.